In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Roblox to your Discord status so that others can see when you're playing. If this video guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Discord and Roblox tutorials. First, obviously make sure that you are already in a Roblox game. I'm going to go ahead and do that right now by opening up the Roblox player here on my computer and then selecting, grow a garden, just like so. After loading into your Roblox game, go ahead and open up Discord right here, and then click user settings down in the bottom left corner, and then scroll down until you see registered games under this activity settings here. Check to see if Roblox is being detected here. If not, simply go ahead and hit add by clicking this add it button here and then typing in Roblox just like so, and then adding it through there. Next, go ahead and navigate into your activity privacy under those activity settings here as well. And then go ahead and make sure that it says share your detected activity with others. Just tick that on just like so. You can also enable the option to share when joining large servers if you would like. Now, whenever you play Roblox, it's going to go ahead and show in your Discord status as well as your status in game just like so. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and remember to like and subscribe for even more videos just like this. We would greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.